will you still be investing in crypto?
Oh yeah, absolutely. So right now I'm really only doing two things. I'm working on Giggle Academy, and then I'm doing investments. Right. So and then on the investments, there's really three sub parts. There's blockchain, there's AI, and there's biotech. So very simple. Those are three big areas. So I no longer want to lead any project myself. I don't think I have the energy to do that anymore. And I'm not as hungry either. No, I'm not as hungry as I was 7 years ago. So now I want to help other entrepreneurs to build their own companies. So I can help them with funding, with advice, with coaching, mentoring if they want it, with access to other resources, connections, etc. So that's what I want to do. So I think I have a few mentors who I value really strongly, and I would like to become a mentor myself for those who want to.
I'm sure a lot of people in this room would love you as a mentor.
I hope so.
I want to talk about Giggle Academy. I have plenty of questions, but before that, on Altcoin Daily, me and my brother, we speak to an audience of over 3 million across all social platforms. And one of the number one questions we get is outlook for crypto in 2025. Are you still just as bullish on crypto next year?
Okay, I'll try not to give any financial advice, but and also history doesn't predict the future, but I cannot predict the future. I can analyze the history. Historically, Bitcoin went through very clear 4-year cycles. So 2013 was a bull year. 2017 was a bull year. So actually, 2012 was a recovery year. I think most people don't look back that far. And then 2013 was a bull year. 2016 was a recovery year. 2014, 2015 were tough. 2016 was a recovery year, and then 2017 went all the way over, and then 2020 was a recovery year, and then 2021 was a bull year, and this year now we're kind of back to the previous all-time highs. So like 2024 is a recovery year based on the current analysis or based on the current prices. Next year, I don't know what's going to happen, but overall, the long term for the industry, I think there's so much more that has to be built, that needs to be built, and that will be built. So I think the industry will get bigger. More and more people will use crypto. And with more people use crypto, the utility value will increase. So long term, I'm still very, very bullish. Short term, it's very hard to predict.
What aspects, and a couple sentences, what aspects of crypto are you most bullish on? Is it DeFi? Is it meme coins?
Well, actually, I wouldn't go that specific because it's very difficult to predict like that specifically, like which one's going to be the next one. Beginning of 2017, I probably could not have said ICOs is the next thing. But by June, the trend was clear. By July, we launched a platform. By December, we launched a platform. So I think it's depends on which project explode in those niche or in those small sectors. I think all of those have have potential to grow. Right now, like I'm meeting a lot of founders. This morning, I met founders who are using AI with a very interesting integration with blockchain. Ideas I never thought about. Right. So if any one of those projects take off, that sector will become big. So it's very hard to predict. But I'm just trying to support all the builders in the space and then see what happens.